What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of Quell's World. I'm your host, Mr. JD and Quells. Today is a great day. Like I told you guys this week, I'll be picking up my motor. My motor is finally done, and I can't wait for you guys to see it. It looks amazing. Still gonna put a few parts on it, do a little mock-up on it, make sure everything fits nice and smooth. Let's see what we can do today with this motor, and I'll show you guys what it's gonna look like. But the motor is done, the trans is in, the drive shaft's in, the axles are in, the rear diff is in. We only have a few more parts to get this car rolling and get this car started, man. And I'm really excited because my show will be dropped off this week as well, and get that ball rolling on that. Thank you guys for watching. All right, so I got a couple parts I want to mock up on there. Got the valve cover, trying to see what it looks like on the new motor setup. Got the intake manifold with the drag cartel timing chain tensioner cover. K20 dipstick that goes in the valve cover. Of course, like I said, the sheepy bill manifold. All right, guys, got a little bit of drive, so let's head out there, man. I just pulled up to ALR, and look who's here.
What's going on, guys?
Oh my God, this thing is immaculate.
It's a little dirty because it's from the tree, but...
What color is this?
DVP, Dark Violet Pearl.
Dark Violet Pearl, original GSR, all factory.
Yep.
This is one of two this legendary guy right here owns.
Not legendary, but yeah.
Nah, you're a legend, bro. You're a legend in these parts. Yes,
Oh yeah, I see it.
Alright.
JD and Quell expecting this motor. Real happy, as you can tell. You know what I'm saying?
You guys don't understand, man. I've been after this build for like 4 years, like no joke.
Yeah.
Thoughts in my mind in 2012. Thoughts in my mind coming into life right now. The motor is finally all together. Like I said, I told you guys I need a few more things. I'm gonna slap some more stuff on here. It's all nice and wrapped up. Drag cartel, oil valve full, everything's in, man. This thing is looking beautiful.
Look at that big boy oil pan right there.
All right.
What company is that from?
That's our Can Racing oil pan. It's a upgrade from the factory, which is a 5.5 gallon fuel pump. I'm sorry, 5.5 gallon oil pan. It's a 6.5 now. What's going on, guys? Thank you guys for staying tuned. Ran into a little bit of technical difficulties with the GoPro yesterday. That's why some of the footage kind of stops randomly. My apologies. But I'll finish it today on day 2. I didn't realize it until I started actually editing the footage that the video was not being recorded and only the audio. But without further ado, the motor's home. Transmission's home with the transfer case. We got the drive shaft from the Element. Here, we got the rear diff from the Element. I got another couple parts from K20 that I need to throw on this motor as well. Of course, we got the water neck housing. It's gonna go nice and clean right here. This motor's gonna look great. We also have the electric water pump version 2 from K20, which I'll show you guys real quick what this little puppy's gonna look like on this motor. Yeah, so that's it right there. So as you guys can kind of get the theme, it's black, white, and silver. The car itself is silver. I really enjoy the way this motor looks, man. I can't wait to have this thing inside the car and ready to go. I only got a few more things left to get this car on the road. The all-wheel drive setup, the clutch, the turbo setup, and next up I'm going to start working on the fuel. So I need a fuel cell and a surge tank, because like I told you guys, I won't just be drag racing this. It'll be kind of like a street car kind of. I'll be hitting different tracks with twists and turns like circuit racing and things like that. I'm looking forward to doing that. We got to get the fuel set up. We got to get this transmission ready for the all-wheel drive power. The transmission is going to get a drag cartel billet transfer case, WaverTech LSD, if I'm pronouncing that right. and other couple upgrades for the transmission just for this year. Next year I want to do a little bit more with the transmission, maybe go PPG, just make those gears nice and strong so it can actually withstand all the power that this thing's going to take. But thank you guys for watching. If this is your first time watching the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. If you've been watching the channel for a while, I really appreciate the support. Stay tuned, guys, because this year is going to be a great year. Not just for me, but a lot of other crazy builds that I hope to put on my channel. Thank you guys for watching again.